Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Barrier Defense Booster. The Barrier Defense Booster is ideal for anyone who is concerned about discomfort associated with sensitive skin. This is a concentrated oil booster that soothes, nourishes and moisturises to restore the balance to sensitive skin. It will help reinforce the skin's natural protective barrier against environmental assault, nourishes and soothes irritated skin. It will basically help prevent skin irritation before it starts. So it's suitable for all sensitive skin. You would dispense 6 to 10 drops into the palm of your hand and rub hands together. Pat gently over the face, neck and décolletage. It works great with your redness relief essence and your Ultracalming serum concentrate. Now you can also add a few drops of the barrier repair to any of your Dermalogica moisturisers. So if you would like to purchase the Barrier Defense Booster, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.